Good morning. This morning I will be changing the water pump on the 2.7 free RZ engine. This is the water pump. Since I'm filming outside, the glare is troubling. So the process of changing the water pump, you have to take out the fan belts, the tensioner bolt, you have to slacken them, all the tensioner bolts to get out the belt. The tensioner bolt is a 14, and this adjustable down here is a 12. So just 14 and 12. You have to take out this hose, water hose. You have to get this out. Take out the shroud, slacken all the tensioner belts and remove them. This is one of the tensioners bolt to slacken the belt. This here is the other one, and for the compressor it would be underneath. So I would be doing that, and they have 4 bolts on the shroud. I'll be doing that and taking you all step by step. I won't be able to hold the camera and do it, so I would pause and resume. Here I've slackened or taken out the tensioner on all the belts. So now is getting it out. That's the belt for the power steering. That's the other belt for the... Yeah, yesterday I didn't have the right tool to take out the fan bolts. So I went and I bought this. But it still didn't work because that's a 12 pin and not a 6 pin. So I used that to take it out. I put the screwdriver here and I slacken it. When taking the fan bolts out, do not use the box end, which I was using, but it kept rounding up the nuts. So now I've slackened it. I took out the guard and the fan belts. I would be taking out this, and then right now it has 4 nuts. All the nuts are slack. If you notice, the nuts are slack. So I'll be slacking them out and taking out the fan, and I'll resume the video. Yeah, I got out the fan. Right now I'll be taking out the oil stick. This is here. You have to squeeze on the side and pull it out and slacken the bolts, which I have already slackened. You seal the washer and everything, and then you would pull up the dipstick. The dipstick has a O-ring down here. When you putting it back, replace the O-ring and put something in the hole so debris won't be going into it. I'll be stopping the video and put something in the hole, and I will be taking out, unslackening the nuts for the water pump. I'll be right back. Okay, I've taken out the old water pump and I've cleaned the area for the new water pump. This is the area for the new water pump, and this is the new water pump. I'll be placing it in. It has 8 10 bolts and 2 12. The 12 are at the top, the 12 are the longer bolts, the 10 bolts are the shorter bolts, so you cannot misplace them. I'll be pausing the video and getting the pump in, but I have to do a compression test because I took out the pump and I don't see nothing wrong with it. So I believe my cylinder head gasket gone. Since the harmonic balancer went, I believe I blew my cylinder head gasket, but I'll still replace the new pump. When I put in the new pump, I will resume. I've completed the water pump. I bolt everything in. I put some coolant in it to make sure it's not leaking. Right now I'm going to put on the fan and the belts. There is a guy cutting grass with a weed eater. I hope it's not disturbing y'all. This would be it for now until I finish put on the fan belts and the fan. Also the protection here. Here I put the fan belts in and I started it, but it's still doing the same thing, which it's throwing the water here. The temperature gauge isn't going up, it's staying normal, but yet still the coolant is coming out via the radiator. So what I'm going to do is take out the coils, take out the spark plug and do a compression test. But for now, this is it. Thank you and goodbye.